My strings are not even. Good. Hey guys, it's time for another Create This Book episode. I've got some cool pages planned for today, but I do want to update you guys on Create This Book 2 because I know a lot of you are waiting for it. It's not done yet. I think I might have said that it would be done by now, published by late March, early April. It's taking a little bit longer than expected, but I am still working on it every week. I put more and more work into it and I'm making more progress. Please try to be impatient. No, please try to be patient. I'm just as excited for it to come out as you guys, but I don't want to rush through it and make mistakes, so I need to focus and take my time to finish it. For now, I'll give you a little sneak peek of one of the pages. I'll put it on the screen right now so you can see it and you can go ahead and pause it and read the prompt if you want to. But yeah, I am working on it. It will be done as soon as I can get it done. So, anyway, let's not forget about this guy because this guy is still active and going on and we still have to finish this. So let's just get into this. Alright, so the first page is pretty simple. Create a page of checkers. Put checkers here.
So I kind of went basic on this one. I could have done something really crazy creative, but I just decided to do exactly what the directions say to do, and I put checkers on the page. Of course, I chose a rainbow color scheme, and I did make them nice and blendy to give them a little oomph. Also, prompt book hack, I use Post-its in the book crack, not butt crack, book crack, when I'm coloring in there so that I don't accidentally color on the other page. But yeah, this was just a nice relaxing page to do, and it just makes me happy to look at it. It's just very bright and colorful. I did leave some spots blank. I thought it would look cool to kind of break it up a little bit. It might look incomplete to you, but to me, it kind of makes it look more lively, you know, like there's some action going on.
Next is create a contour drawing. Draw something without lifting up your pencil. No cheating.
And so you could technically do this with pencil first and then trace over it with pen and it still wouldn't be cheating, but I decided to challenge myself and go in with pen right off the bat. I really wasn't that brave though, because I was doing this on separate pieces of paper so that I could redo it just in case I made a mistake, which I did end up doing. Obviously, I did pick up my pen when going from one dessert to the next, but I think that's allowed, just as long as you don't pick up your pen within the drawing. You know, since I'm not doing this in pencil first, I think that should be allowed. The strawberry on this piece of cheesecake is just obnoxious. So I redid the drawing on this page and I fixed the cheesecake, but I think I actually liked the first cream puff that I drew better. But oh well, you can't have everything. And I went ahead and painted these with watercolors, and I'm just using printer paper, which is definitely not ideal for watercolor at all. But you know what? We don't need the best, most expensive supplies to still have fun and make art, you know? We can paint on printer paper and maybe it won't be the best, but we still like it. I don't know why I'm saying we. Maybe I'm trying to brainwash you guys. We like Mariah's art. We watch Mariah's video. Believe it or not, I thought that these looked too neat. So I decided to drip some watercolor down the page to kind of shake things up a little bit. Side note, while I was waiting for the paint to dry, I decided to take the time to make a weird green plushy cat that turned out super creepy. But I kind of love it. Anyway, of course I glued down the pages back into the book and voila, here's the final pages, and I definitely like how these turned out.
Next is create contrast. Think of a pair of opposites. Present them together on this page.
So I'm actually showing the sketching process for once. I'm debating about whether or not I should do that from now on. I don't know. I want to know what you guys think. Do you like seeing the sketching process, or do you want me to just cut to the inking part like I normally do? But I think it's kind of interesting to watch. Plus you can laugh at how terrible my sketches are. So my contrasting themes, in case you haven't already picked up on them, are happy and sad. So I drew this girl who's clearly upset, and the background is like a happy birthday celebration. I don't know what she's crying about, but I feel like she's being a little petty. Maybe she's upset that she didn't get something that she wanted for her birthday. Spoiled. But yeah, I really like how this page turned out. I think it came out cool. And finally, we have create a playlist. Think of songs that are special to you. Music can often bring up feelings and or memories. Write down a few songs and what they mean to you. So today we have a special guest appearance, my iPhone. I was using it to trace around so that I could draw an iPod. Yeah, take notice of Minnie Mouse's face, like ghosting in the background. And I wrote 15 song titles on the screen, and then on the other page I wrote down the memory or whatever they remind me of to correspond with the song titles, and then the rough year that I think these memories took place during. Most of them are really small moments in my life, which is weird. Like, you know those memories you have of super insignificant moments? Like, there's no reason that you would remember it, but you remember it so clearly. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. I feel like I'm getting philosophical right now. I don't know, but that's mostly what they are, like just this moment that I remember for whatever reason in connection with the song. And so yeah, I added some colorful doodles around to make it look a little bit more interesting, and you know, I really like this page for its sentimental value, and it did turn out pretty cute. Pretty cute. And now here are some viewer pages. These are from Fabiola. I hope I'm saying your name right. She has a channel here on YouTube called Fabulous, and she's a super nice person, always leaves really sweet comments on my videos. Go ahead and check her channel out because it's really cool. And I also got quite a few pages from Crystal. She's clearly very creative and talented, has a lot of really cool ideas. I love this weather page, so cool. Thank you, Crystal, for sending these pictures to me. If you want to see your Create This Book pages featured in a video, please send them to me through email. If you've sent me pictures through Instagram and I haven't featured them yet, you may want to try emailing them to me because a lot of pages get lost in my Instagram messages because I have a lot of random messages in Instagram and it's just too hard to sort through them, and there's no way to like categorize them that I know of, so I just end up losing track of the messages that have photos in them. So please email them to me. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if I will see you guys Monday. I may spend the weekend instead working on Create This Book 2 instead of trying to get a Monday video out, but we will see. I will at least see you next Friday for a DIY or craft video, so look out for that. And that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these pages that I have done. Bye guys!